All right, so I'm getting ready to work out. I don't want to show my face, I look a mess, but I'm getting ready to work out. I haven't worked out in so long, so this is how my body looks. I'm just gonna let it all hang. So this is how my body looks. I don't know how much I weigh, but I know I've gained weight in all the wrong places. So this is how I look. You guys can see I got back rolls and stuff. My arms, I hate them, they're so big. And for anyone that might comment down below and be like, girl, what are you talking about? This is my body. I know what I'm comfortable with and what I'm not comfortable with, and right now I just know I let myself go. I'm probably like 180. I am 5'8", so my height and all that stuff has a lot to do with it. If I was short, I would be probably bigger. So yeah, and you guys know I suffer from acne, so I got it on my chest, I got it on my face. So I'm just trying to live a healthier lifestyle, and I'm gonna take you guys along with me. So just want to show you guys how my body is looking right now. This is what I'm wearing. I got on a sports bra from M1, super comfortable. I have on these leggings that I got from Marshalls, and then I have on my Puma little shoes. They're really comfortable, no shoestrings or anything. So yeah, let's do this.
Hi, I'm Cellulite Sally. Look at my huge badonkey. Oh, and don't forget about me. I'm Back Fat Betty.
I am tired just off of that. Clearly out of shape. Clearly. I didn't eat anything for breakfast, but this is me working out at home after months of me not working out. And I feel everything. So, everything. I just want to show y'all. Look at this. Look at that. So week. And I'm also going to try to work out for 20 minutes each day. So work out for 5 days and then eat clean for a week. And I'll let you guys know like how my body feels, how it's looking. I don't have a scale. The scale that I do have, it came from like freaking Family Dollar, so it's not a legit scale. So yeah, but I'm pretty sure I'm 180, probably 185. So yeah, I'm going to show you guys what I'm cooking, and let's get this day started. And this is what I'm eating. I'm not a cooker, okay? Does this look like something I would probably feed my future kids? No. Do I have kids? No. Reason being, God doesn't want to bless me with any right now because look at what I'm eating. Yeah, so this is what I'm eating. This is everything you need. You got your eggs, you got your vegetables, and you got some meat up in there, okay? I mean, it may not look easy to the eye, but at least I got food. I'm blessed with food, you know. I got something to eat, you know. I don't have to go throughout the day, you know, starving or nothing like that. So thank you, God, for blessing me with this meal that I'm about to eat. Y'all probably in the comments like, bitch, what the fuck? What the fuck? Okay, so this meal is actually disgusting. The best part about this meal are the bell peppers. Are these. That's it. I can eat these like there's no tomorrow. But fair. I think what killed this meal was the meat. I get in these certain phases throughout the year where I don't like meat, and I think I'm getting close to that phase where I don't want to eat any meat. So the meat I could have did without, but the eggs and this would have been fine. But that little sausage, I'm getting ready to throw that out because I don't like it. Disgusting. Thor, get down. So yeah.